Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And today, I finally have a new RC car here in the garage, right here in front of me. By the title, you guys already know. It is the Haas 4x4 VXL and is actually the Shadow Red Edition. So, it's kind of newer. It's a newer color, I think, right? And so yeah, let's get to unboxing it. Alright, so here is the front of the box. It is not this color, like I said, it is the Shadow Red color. So here it says Haas for VXL, 60 miles per hour. Just check the side. 4x4 VXL, same thing. Just gives you like the pinion, spur combination, how fast it'll go, battery and all that. So let's go. What does it say down here? It says what you'll need, different languages and stuff. Let's go to the other side. Whew. Right there, Shadow Red has a little sticker right there. Shadow Red Edition. I picked this up at my local hobby shop. Let's see. Turn it around. Oh, it is upside down. Let's see. Clipless body mounting. I have never had a clipless body mounting car. Self-riding, never had that either. Waterproof electronics, TQI 60. That's the color that I have. Let's go to the other side. Did I check the other top half already? I don't think so. Here we are. New integrated receiver box, integrated wheelie bar, torque biasing standard drive with steel spur gear, the tires, ultra shocks, Valenion. I haven't had a Traxxas car with the Valenion system, so I have the Rustler and the two-wheel drive Slash over there that have a hobby wing ESC and motor. That's the Slash two-wheel drive has a hobby wing ESC and motor, and then the Rustler has I forgot what it's called, but it's there in the other videos. But those do not have Valenion systems, so I've never had a Valenion system. This is 3S. I was either debating, I needed a monster truck, electric monster truck, because I have a nitro monster truck, and I've had a nitro monster truck for a long time, and I need an electric one because I don't have an electric one in my collection of RC cars. So I decided to get the Haas, and then also I didn't know if I wanted to get the Max or the Haas, and the reason I went with the Haas is because I liked the colors better. Pretty much, that's pretty much it. But I am gonna get a Max. But I just liked the red. I was gonna get a Max until the red came out, and then I decided to get a Haas. So that's why I got the Haas, because basically the color. I like the color combination. But yeah, let's get into the box now. Enough of me talking about it and looking on the outside. Let's actually get this thing cracked open. Oh, cut those seals. That's good. Is there any on the top? No. Oh, I only need to open one side, huh? Duh. Put that off to the side. Take that out. Oh, there's nothing on this side. Pull that out. Ooh, look at that. Turn this over. We're gonna get the first shot of it right now. Ooh. Oh gosh, it's not coming out. Oh. You hear that? Oh, paperwork fell out. What's same stuff that's always here? Just some stickers and some preload shocks, some preload clips for the shocks, and the manual and stuff. And here it is, the Shadow Red Haas. Ooh, look at that. It looked way better with the plastic off, but we'll put this out. I know the controller's still in there on the other side, we'll get that out later. But I want to take a look at this right now. Woo! Let's take the plastic off. Can I get this off the front? Come on. Come on. Oh gosh, did I freaking break it? Whew. Okay, look at that. That thing is nice. The colors are beautiful. Ooh, such nice colors. And I mean, this is just on camera. You guys should see it in person. Such nice colors. It's too nice to mess up, man. It's too nice to mess up. Oh man, it's so nice. Okay, so let's take the body off. Never used a clipless body mount, but you know, I've obviously seen videos of it, and ooh, look at this brand new electric RC monster truck. Finally have a monster truck in the arsenal. Ooh. Drop test. Okay, and I heard that this battery tray doesn't fit like 3S batteries. It only fits like mostly 2S batteries, because this thing isn't big enough. So I need to get like the bigger battery hold down. So, but we'll see. I don't know. I'll test fit one of my 3S batteries in here. I might need to run 2S for like to start off with, and then order I should have ordered it. I should have picked it up at the hobby store. I didn't even think of it. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna need the bigger battery hold down. But let's take a closer look around the car. So here are the wheels right here. Wheels and tires. Nice like black smoked chrome. Wheelie bar on the back. Back bumper. Shock towers. It's weird not seeing like the shock towers with the holes for the body clips, because this is a clipless body mount. But look at that. 3S ESC and motor right there. These Traxxas plugs I'm not gonna use, so I'm gonna have to take that off, solder on some XT90s, because all of my batteries are running XT90s, and I didn't feel like buying the really expensive Traxxas batteries just for this car. And I'd have to buy the charger and stuff. In the future I will, but right now, since I have 3S batteries, why waste the money when I could just change the plug? But look at that. Whew. Very, very nice. And let's see if I can put the body back on. It goes like, gosh, like that, right? Oh gosh, I'm bad at this already. Oh gosh, I don't even know. I'm like doing this with one hand. It's also hard to do with one hand. It's under there, right? Do I need to push this up more? Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Boom, and that body's on. Beautiful colors, beautiful everything. And that was the unboxing, guys. I know I didn't show the remote, but it's obviously just the regular Traxxas remote, so I didn't think I needed to show that, so I am not going to show that. But there it is, guys. Shadow Red Haas 4x4 VXL. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to take this out. Such a beautiful car. I don't want to mess it up. Such a beautiful body. Oh, I don't think this body is not on, right? I'm an idiot. Jesus Christ. Where does this clip go? Oh, I can see where it goes. Okay. Ah, there we go. Now I got it. Or not. Yeah, I did. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Now I got the clip on right. Alright, well, that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.